Gently apply RF cream to the arm. Place the negative plate close to the customer's skin. RF Handy Polar. Unblock meridians and promote blood circulation. Wear RF Handy Polar on the operator's wrist. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. Energy level, 3. Note, you need to step on the pedal to have energy output. Place the arms flat, and push the enter outside of the arm with your hook with both hands. Soothing act. Push your entire arm from bottom to top with both palms alternately. Soothing act. Warm the inner side of the arm by rubbing it with bent fingers. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply gel evenly. RF ultrasound, clear channels and refine body contours. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Ultrasound energy level, 3. Ultrasound mode M1. RF energy level, 3. RF mode NOR. Lift slowly from the lower arm towards the elbow. And from the elbow towards the shoulder. Move the handle slowly in circular motions from the elbow toward the shoulder. Lift the upper arm in an outward motion from the inner side. Move the handle in circular motions on the upper arm. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply essential oil. RF suction, dampness expulsion, detoxification, skin firming, and body shaping. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. RF mode NOR. Suction duration, 5. Release time, 2. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Slowly lift from the lower arm towards the elbow. Then from the elbow towards the shoulder. Move the handle slowly in circular motions from the elbow towards the shoulder. Lift the upper arm in an outward motion from the inner side. Move the handle in circular motions on the upper arm. Wipe the treatment area with a towel.